What if I told you there's a sound so strange no one knows where it came from? In 1997, scientists recorded a mysterious noise in the Pacific Ocean called the bloop. It was louder than a blue whale, the loudest animal on Earth. For years, people thought it was some unknown deep-sea creature hiding in the dark. But later, scientists suggested it might be massive ice cracking deep in Antarctica. Still, no one can say with 100% certainty. Something made that sound in the deepest parts of our planet. Follow and subscribe to discover the next strange mystery.